In this video, you'll learn how to turn a product link into a video using Higgsfield AI. By following this guide, you'll be able to create engaging video ads quickly and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you reach the homepage, look for the option labeled video. This will direct you to the video creation section of the platform. After selecting video, you will see a button that says click to add. Click on this button to proceed to the next step in the video creation process. You will then receive a message indicating that you can turn any product into a video ad. This message confirms that you are in the right place to start creating your video. Next, you will see a prompt that instructs you to paste the product URL. Ensure that you have the product link ready, as the AI will generate a scroll-stopping video ad using this link. Keep in mind that the effectiveness of the video may depend on the quality of the product images available on the link page. Once you have pasted the product URL, click on the product page URL link that appears. This action will allow you to input the specific product you want to feature in your video. Type in the name of the product you wish to create a video for. After entering the product name, click on Continue to move forward in the process. This step is crucial as it initiates the AI's analysis of the product. You will see a message stating building your project kit. This indicates that the AI is working on gathering the necessary information to create your video. This process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes, allowing you time to prepare for the next steps. As the AI builds your product kit, you will see various messages indicating different stages, such as connecting to websites and extracting product images. Each of these messages signifies that the AI is retrieving essential data for your video. When the AI completes the extraction, you will see prompts related to finding brand colors, locating logo, and processing details. Each step is essential for ensuring that the video aligns with the product's branding. After these steps, you will receive a finalizing product kit message. This indicates that the AI is preparing all components needed for the video. Once this is done, you will see the product details section. Next, you will review the product images and logo and brand colors. Ensure these elements are accurate, as they will be incorporated into your video ad. Once satisfied, click on Continue to proceed. You will then be prompted to choose your ad style. Select the option labeled Choose your ad style. This step allows you to customize the look and feel of your video ad. You can now select a style that suits your needs. Each preset includes optimized visuals, captions, and pacing specifically designed for social media platforms. Choose the one that best fits your product. After selecting a style, click on Presets to view the available options. You will see various effects that can enhance your video ad. Choose an effect that resonates with your product's message. Finally, click on Generate Video. This action will initiate the video creation process. Depending on the complexity of the video and your internet speed, the generation may take some time. Ensure your connection is stable to avoid interruptions. Once the video is generated, you will receive a notification confirming its completion. You can then review the video to ensure it meets your expectations before sharing it. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.